Hey guys, I wanted to do a screen recording for you to show you how to check accessibility within a Word document. So this Word document is one that's in our resources. It's the library locations document, and it's created within a table, which can sometimes be issue for screen readers, and it also contains a lot of screenshots, which is another thing that is an issue for screen readers. So accessibility involves that as well as color contrast and things like that. So we want to make sure that TOGs and other documents that we have are accessible. So to do that, we're going to go to File. We're going to check for issues, and we're going to check accessibility. When we do that, it opens up the accessibility checker here on the right-hand side. Now you'll notice that my version of Word looks a little bit different from the one that we have at CSU. I have the 365 version, so it does things for you a little bit better than the version that we have at CSU. But I'll tell you how those things differ as we go through. So the first thing that's showing that's missing alternate text is picture 2, which is this screenshot. So to fix that, to add alt text, of course we know how to add alt text. We typically go to Format Picture, and it opens up the alt text window. Mine has Edit Alt Text there, so I'm going to do that and open up the alt text window. Now this one does not give you the title blank and then the description blank. It just has one because you don't need the title blank at all. You only want to put information for alt text in the description. So that's why the newer version of Word, they don't even have the title blank because it's not necessary. So you want to put a description in the alt text that tells you what is being shown in the image. If it's content related, you need to know what is the content that's being shown. So in both of these first two images, it's showing the login screen for the My Waldorf login page and the My CSU login page. So we're going to just say My Waldorf login screen. And then we're going to go to well, it skipped right over the image 2. So we're going to go here and we're going to do My CSU login screen. And then we're going to go to the others. We can just click on the images because we know they're there, or we can scroll through using alt text. So picture 5, we're going to add the Waldorf library, online library. So you just go through clicking each one as you go, and as you add them, it will remove them from your list. The next thing down here is warnings. Now these at the top are errors. They need to be fixed. Warnings are things that people have difficulty reading. So under the warnings, we have hard to read text contrast, and that is the links up here. The green against the white is probably not the right contrast. We could use WebAIM or another color contrast checker to see, but if it's flagging it, then it's probably not the correct contrast. So we want to change that to a different color. So we can go up here and we can change it to blue, a darker blue, a bright blue, and there they removed it. So that is the right contrast. So we're just going to change this one to the same, and it removes both of those. So if we added alt text to all of the images, all the screenshots in here, then we would pass accessibility. Another thing that might be flagged as an issue is unclear hyperlink text. Because this hyperlink actually reads what is actually, the address that you would put into the address bar, the URL, it makes it difficult when screen readers are reading this whole long https:// it has to read all of that. So that could be flagged as well as an issue. So we'll talk about that when we get into hyperlinks and changing the hyperlinks to a readable text. But that shows you how to check accessibility and how to fix those issues as they come up. So hope it's helpful. Have a good day.